Hi everyone, welcome to BK CIANDRE Beijing showroom.
This is Daisy.
This is Angela. Today we're going to show you our newest 2022 Italian kitchen design. So for good kitchen, we need to have good wood board and good hardware and good countertop. So this kitchen design we combined with the new generation daily life for the smart needs and also for space-saving collections. Also, when we have friends together in an open island, we need a very good space-saving we are using for parties. We need to take out things from the cabinets, and then we have people go and come. So this system from Italian Hawa, they solve this issue. And this is very welcome for the new generations. So also for the smart storage of the from Kessebohmer, okay. And from this these cabinets we combined with the Kessebohmer's space storage collections, and we collect with the smart the touch sensor for the LED lights. So here we display more of the functions of the hardwares, like for forks, for example, for here we use Kessebohmer's for plates, for forks. The big advantage for this is you can see all those things you can take out to move for cleaning. And also when you have friends, you can take out these full units of plates to the island. Yes.
For friends.
So you don't need to take one by one, which is very convenient for parties. And sometimes you have to take out this,
and it's easy to clean.
Yes, cleanly. And you want to replace, to move the display of
moved here.
Yes, you can put this here. This is very easy for cleaning.
Yes.
And very convenient when you put a
and
big.
It's edgeable.
Yes. So all the drawers wear soft close. From here, you can see this is a very strong collections also for plates, for forks, for chopsticks. So all we use the soft close. And also you can see from here, all these drawers, this part we can disassemble to, instead of to cleaning the inside of the drawers, and you can put back. So which is very good for house cleaning, right? So for house ladies, this is their favorite, right?
Yes.
You see, all are very easy for clothes. This is a glass drawers. So the fitting when you close the drawers are super. So also down here we use a couple of like touch open of the blue drawers, which is very convenient when you need to take out something and you need to put back the plates. It's very convenient.
Yes.
So just one push, close.
Yes.
Yeah.